Multitasking machines can be daunting to program. Today, we will take a look at the programming of a twin-spindle machine with a B-axis head and a lower turret with the new Esprit. We start from an existing program for a single turret twin-spindle lathe, and we will swap the machine and optimize the program for a 2-channel DMG Mori NTX SZ. This is a single setup program including transfer, bar pull to reposition the workpiece for the next part, and ejection of the finished part. The machine performs turning, milling, rotary milling, and full 5-axis milling, all with the B-axis milling head. We edit the machine setup and select a different machine equipped with the lower turret. Esprit automatically updates the program and recalculates all the motions for the new machine. The program includes 2 columns, one per channel. Channel 1 is for the B-axis head, and Channel 2 is for the lower turret. For the moment, Channel 2 is empty. We need to mount tool assemblies to the lower turret before we can use it. We load a library of tool assemblies. In the library preview, we can see some turret blocks and complete tool assemblies with multiple tools. Esprit supports multifunction tool assemblies and construction of assemblies from multiple tool items with library management of tool items and partial and full assemblies. For the turning operations on the backside, we want to use the turning tool on the lower turret, so we edit the process and change the tool. Esprit previews the new tool and its orientation. Notice that we cannot modify the tool orientation because the lower turret does not include the necessary axis. Esprit is aware of the machine capabilities and offers only options that the machine can perform. Just changing the tool is enough. After we click OK, Esprit automatically modifies the program. The operation moves to channel 2, and most importantly, the program is automatically synchronized for a safe operation. To balance the machining between the 2 turrets, we drag and drop tools from the top turret to the lower turret. Esprit's digital twin shows the updated tool position, and Esprit updates the program automatically in the background. There is no need to change any of the processes, and the automatic syncing keeps the program safe for the machine. With operations distributed between the 2 turrets, we can now overlap cutting of the main spindle side with the cutting of the sub-spindle side. We change the program mode from sequential to parallel. Parallel mode is very beneficial. It allows concurrent operations of both turrets, and it can cut the cycle time in half. The total cycle time is drastically reduced thanks to Esprit's automatic concurrency optimization. We can now visualize the full process on the machine. Notice that both turrets are cutting for most of the program. Esprit synchronizes and optimizes the cutting of 2 parts with multiple tools and different types of processes. Programming a 2-channel multitasking machine with Esprit is as simple as programming a 2-axis lathe. The system empowers the programmer to fully exploit the machine's capacity. The simulation of the digital twin helps to validate the program and make adjustments to the machine setup for optimum utilization of the machine. The program in parallel mode ends with the transfer of the workpiece. The program is made to loop for continuous part production with minimal operator intervention. We can now output the G-code to run the machine. Esprit produces machine-optimized G-code. It uses the advanced functions of the CNC such as helical, polar, and cylindrical interpolations, high speed and high precision options, the machine's built-in canned cycles, macros and subprograms, and synchronization code such as this M100 that we can find in both channel programs. Esprit produces edit-free, machine-optimized G-code ready to run on the machine. Esprit is the ultimate programming solution, offering powerful programming, optimization, and simulation for mill-turn and multi-channel machines.